Hello everyone. If you're getting this error, Roblox error code 524, you do not have permission to join this experience, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error code 524 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to roblox.com and you're just going to go into settings on here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your privacy and content restrictions. You're going to go on to visibility and private servers. You're going to go on to private servers here. You're going to select everyone on here. And after that, you're just going to go on to content maturity. You're going to set it to mild. And there it is. That's how easy it was to fix error code 524. I'm going to show you that I can play any game now. So as you can see, the game's working. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.